Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some bread Burfi. So this is just only some of it. This makes a lot more, but we were giving it out to friends and family. So this is just one little box of it. So to get started, you're going to be taking one loaf of bread, and in this case we're using some whole wheat bread, but you guys can use whatever bread that you guys want, like white bread if you want. So you want to start that by processing in a food processor to make it like little crummies. So you want little crumbs of it that I'm going to be showing you a little bit later, right here. So you want this kind of texture. So little tiny crumbs. You don't want any big crumbs in there. So this is how much we have. Okay, so next we're going to be taking some of this sweetened shredded coconut, and then we're just going to be pulsing it in a little blender as well. So this is what you should end up with. And then also taking some cardamom, and this gives them like really great aroma. So just taking about like 15 cardamoms. It's okay if you go have a little bit less or more, but that's fine. So you just want to process that too, and then taking a little sifter, you just want to sift the powder. So you just want the little tiny powder, and you don't want the big clumps. You can just keep that aside for like tea. So now you just want to put in the coconut that you shredded into the this is called a karai. You want a thick like base wok type thing. And also taking some brown sugar. You guys can use whatever sugar you have on hand. We just have this brown sugar, so you want 3 cups of that. And you're going to be adding that into the coconut. And this is on medium heat, you guys. Also adding the cardamom powder that we sifted into this. Now we're going to add 2 cups of milk to the breadcrumb mixture and then mix it all up together. You have those breadcrumbs and the milk mixed together. You want to add about half of it into the mixture that's on the stove. So do half because it's easier to mix in with the sugar and all. So now just taking 1 tablespoon of ghee or ghee, however you say it, you guys can just add that in as well and mix that together. And this takes a lot of arm strength, you guys. It's really hard to mix together, but after mixing it all up, you want to transfer that on a baking sheet that's lined with some aluminum foil paper or some wax paper. That's good too. So you want to just transfer all that mixture onto the sheet. And then just start tapping it down so it's kind of smooth. So it has a smooth surface. And then also sprinkle on some of the shredded coconut. This is not the one that we blended up in the blender, but straight from the bag. So just add that on for some garnish, you know. So after that, just leave that in the refrigerator overnight so it hardens and it's easier to cut into pieces so it's not as soft. And then after you cut it into pieces, it looks like this, but we actually had 2 trays of this. And then we just put in little boxes to give to friends and family. So I hope you guys try this out. Please like and subscribe if you have not already. See you next time, guys.